This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can set a timer for taking a photo on this drone. So to start, make sure that you are in the general photo mode, either by pressing this button on the remote controller or tapping at the icon on top of the shutter button and selecting photo. The way you can tell, by the way, if you are in the video or photo shooting mode is by the color of shutter button. If it's white, that means that you are in the photo mode, and vice versa. If it's red, like that, that means that your camera is currently in the video recording mode. Anyway, tap on this icon, then once the photo is selected, go for the timed shot and select which delay you would like to set for your timer: 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 30, or 60 seconds. And well, that's about it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.